So hello everyone. I have something to share. For before that, बस पहले ही बता दूँ कि I am not doing this to have any sympathy या फिर कुछ भी. I am sharing something because I want to share something, and the whole purpose of this channel or uh, documenting my journey was to just explain everything and express myself somewhere. एंड बस इसीलिए ही मैं दिखा रही हूँ. ऑल्सो अगर एक दो लोग भी मुझे देखते हैं तो दे शुड नो समथिंग अबाउट मी. सिर्फ इसीलिए दिखा रही हूँ, बाकी और कुछ रीज़न नहीं है. सो डे बिफोर yesterday on Thursday, I insisted my parents to take my brother to therapy या फिर psychiatry because we needed that. My brother has OCD and a little degraded development, and I have seen ki he is 10 years old and he still can't talk that properly, and he's always alone, doesn't have many friends, and so yeah, I just thought that he needs psychiatrist to talk or just a counseling. So that's the reason, and so we went, and also it was free of cost. And so my parents applied for 3 more people: my mother, my father and my brother, because we have a lot of family issues, and I come from a very toxic and abused family, so even they know that they need counseling. So he just registered them, and when we went to the psychiatrist and he was doing his counseling, and I was just sitting, and ही लाइक मैं भी ऐसे बता रही थी कि हाँ क्या क्या दिक्कतें होती हैं भाई को लेकर के, मम्मी पापा को लेकर के, जो भी चीज़ें होती हैं. आई वाज जस्ट एडिंग टू दैट, एंड ऑफ कोर्स व्हेन आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट द ट्रॉमा एंड ऑल कि मेरे भाई को क्या दिक्कत है, इनकी वजह से क्या दिक्कत है. सो ऑफ कोर्स माई एक्सप्रेशंस वर चेंजिंग, और मैं भी थोड़ा सा अनकम्फर्टेबल होती जा रही थी. एंड द साइकियाट्रिस्ट इज़ ऑल्सो अ डॉक्टर, इज़ एन MBBS एन MD. सो उन्होंने मुझे नोटिस किया कि इस बच्चे के साथ भी तो गड़बड़ है. एंड देन दे सेड कि यू डोंट हैव अ रजिस्ट्रेशन. तो आई सेड कि नहीं, दे डिडंट रजिस्टर मी. सो उन्होंने बोला कि आप लोग जाओ, पहले तो भाई का IQ टेस्ट के लिए बोला गया, एंड उन्होंने बोला कि अपनी बेटी को भी रजिस्टर करवाइए, इनका भी पर्चा लेके आइए. नॉर्मल लैंग्वेज इन इंडियन हॉस्पिटल्स थे ना कि पर्चा लेके आओ. सो दे मेड दिस पर्चा ऑफ मी, and parcha of me, it is a proper parcha, proper, I am not faking it. And they started my counseling, and 2 minutes after counseling I am crying in front of 3 MBBS doctors. I'm crying as much as I can, and they were like, yeah, it's okay, you can cry as much as you want, you are in a safe place. And then we talked about a lot of things, about how things have been troubling me, and how the relationship between my family and my parents have just made a downfall of my mental health. And so yeah, they realized that something is not okay with me, and then again my family kept on interrupting in between, wanting to see कि क्या हो रहा है, क्या बात कर रही है, किसकी बुराई कर रही है ये लड़की. So they kept on interrupting us. So I have a habit of doing self-harm. Also, I'm not promoting it. Please don't do it. But sometimes when people are not okay, they do it, and I was one of them. And then I showed doctors the scar. Oh my God, why am I showing you? I lifted my sleeves and I showed him the scars. And then he was like, he didn't overreact. Like normally if you show some scars that you have done to yourself to any other person, the person is like shocked and starts scolding you. But he didn't. He was just calming, and he was like, okay, show me your entire hands, whatever you have done to yourself. So I like, look at the scars. And then he looked at the scars and he didn't say anything. He wasn't scolding, he wasn't angry, he was understanding, he was calm, and he was listening to me. That's all we need, and that's all psychiatrist is all about. And उसके बाद he counseled me, but मेरी family बार बार interrupt कर रही थी. So I moved out of the room. थोड़ा बहुत रोक के मैं बाहर आ गई. एंड उसके बाद देयर वॉज ऑल्सो अ फीमेल डॉक्टर विद देम इन द टीम. वो बैठी हुई थी. थोड़ी देर बाद वो बाहर निकल के आती है एंड शी कॉल्ड माई नेम एंड शी टुक मी टू अ डिफरेंट रूम एंड देन शी सेड कि नाउ हियर नो वन इज गोइंग टू इंटरप्ट यू, क्राई एज मच एज यू वॉन्ट, स्पीक एज मच एज यू वॉन्ट एंड यू कैन मतलब शेयर एनीथिंग. फॉर 1.5 आवर्स मेरी काउंसलिंग चलती रही एंड आई वॉज क्राइंग एंड आई वॉज शेयरिंग थिंग्स कि ये है मेरी लाइफ में, दिस इज़ हाउ आई फील, हाउ थिंग्स हैव बीन सो बैड, हाउ आई एम फ्रेम्ड एंड ब्लेम्ड फॉर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इन माई फैमिली एंड माई फैमिली इज़ नॉट गुड एंड it's not okay, it's suffocating me, I'm not okay, I need help, I wanted to come to the psychiatrist but I couldn't. And she was like yeah. And then she told me a lot of things. 2 things that I need to practice is like I need to journaling, I need to write it down, I need to write whatever I feel, and I need to stand in front of the mirror to practice to say things to my family which I can't and which I even often hold back in me, which is not okay. हाँ, तो मतलब उन्होंने मुझे बहुत समझाया कि बेटा फर्स्ट थिंग तुम पहले अपने बारे में सोचो. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू बी गुड टू योर सेल्फ. खुद को सही करना है तब जाके तुम किसी और को सही कर पाओगे. एंड इवन दो दे आर योर फैमिली, यू आर अ डिफरेंट पर्सन एंड यू डोंट हैव टू बी सेम. द वन थिंग शी सेड विच चेंज माई परस्पेक्टिव वॉज दैट यू आर पार्ट ऑफ अ ट्री, यू आर पार्ट ऑफ द ट्री, द रूट्स, बट यू आर अ डिफरेंट ब्रांच, विच इज़ ट्रू. मैं ट्री की पार्ट हूँ, ट्री इज़ माई फैमिली, मैं उस फैमिली का पार्ट हूँ, बट मैं एक डिफरेंट ब्रांच हूँ, मैं एक अलग इंडिविजुअल हूँ. एंड फ्रूट्स हमेशा ब्रांच पे उगते हैं, ट्रीज पे नहीं उगते. एंड दिस इज़ द थिंग दैट चेंज माई परस्पेक्टिव कि फॉर एंड टू ग्रो फ्रूट्स, टू बी गुड टू योर सेल्फ, टू गेट अ जॉब, टू गेट अ कॉलेज, यू हैव टू ब्रांच आउट. ठीक है, जो ब्रांच ट्रीज के दूर नहीं जाती ना, उन्हें सनलाइट नहीं मिलती है एंड फिर वो ग्रो नहीं करते हैं. सो यू हैव टू बी दैट ब्रांच हु हैव टू ग्रो out, and because things are pretty tough for me, I have to grow more out to get the sunlight and to grow fruits. So I took the therapy and she have called me back in the 7 days, and I have depression pills and anxiety pills which I did not take because my family don't know what my diagnosis are. They didn't told them anything because I requested them कि मतलब माँ बाप को मत बताओ, उस पर भी मेरा मजाक बनाएंगे कि है तुझे डिप्रेशन है. So I told them not to inform my parents. They just gave me some medicine which obviously my parents didn't buy for me. And this is the proof. I'll show you. I'll attach the copy if it's not visible. And so it's my name. दिखेगा कि नहीं? Ashi Sharma, and it says this. This is my diagnosis, and my diagnosis is anxiety, crying spells, shorten of breath, decreased self-esteem, decreased sleep, doing self-harm, and I have stopped self-harm from past 3 months, so it's positive from past 3 months. And passive death wish. For those who don't know कि passive death wish क्या होती है, it means the person is suffering and he or she thinks about suicide but is not able to do suicide because is not able to take the actions of suicide. So the person is not active, it's just passive death wishes of the person, which is also positive because right now from the past few months I have not wished of anything like that. So she has put a positive signs to these 2 questions. And the advice is psychotherapy, right? And these are the medicines which I am not taking. So thank you. And no sympathy, no I have okay, the thing is they don't write the actual disease on the paper. Obviously the person is suffering and तुम उसके पेपर पे लिख देते तो तेरे को डिप्रेशन है भाई, बंदा तो वैसे मर जाएगा ना. So didn't wrote it, but I know it. She told me orally कि you have mild depression and it is curable and it will be okay. I need to follow a few things and I will be fine soon. So I always knew I have depression. I have been in depression from the past I don't know how many years. And she diagnosed I was in depression in class 7th, 8th and 9th because of lockdown. And I am diagnosed with NISSU. This is NSSU नहीं NSSI. NSSI. It is non-suicidal self-injury. So this is one thing. This is the second thing I have. And we are going to be okay. She told me to keep the sharp objects out of my room, which is I don't know where I will keep them, so they are in my room only. But as I told you कि 3 महीने से मैंने कुछ काटा पीटी नहीं करी है, so I am trying to control. मैं बस शेयर करना चाहती थी and क्योंकि कोई अगर देख रहा है कि this person is preparing for NEET and as I am documenting my journey, they should know everything about me, I feel. And this was an important part. It is nothing that huge. It is okay. I am okay. It is not that stage 4, stage 5 depression. It is okay. I have survived it from the past 6 years. I've been dealing it with, so it's okay. And for those who think it's because of any boyfriend or something, no, it is mainly because of my family conditions. My parents, they are not okay. Okay, whatever, but I will be fine soon. I feel believe. आई थिंक नीट में मार्क्स आ जाए बस, कॉलेज जाके तो ठीक ही हो ही जाऊँगी, बाकी वो बाद में MBBS का ट्रॉमा हो जाएगा. बट एक बार कॉलेज जाऊँ, आई गेस आई विल बी फाइन. आई टॉक्ड विद 2 ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स एंड दे सेड कि अरे भाई तू कॉलेज चले, एक बार तुझे हम सही कर देंगे. सो ओके, आई एम गोइंग टू बी फाइन, नथिंग टू वरी अबाउट. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर लिसनिंग एंड वर्क हार्ड.